In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add recipes in a template to a collection. With That Clean Life, you never have to start from scratch. We offer over 70 templates that cover a wide variety of diet types to jumpstart your client experience. Each template comes with a meal plan, a grocery list, recipes, a prep guide, and evidence. You can also turn any template into a recipe collection. Start by finding the template that you need. Use the filters available to find meal plans that fit your desired tags. Once you find a template, select the title to open it. To add all of the recipes from a template to a collection, select the icon with the 3 dots and select Add to Collection. Select Recipes, and then choose the collection you'd like to add your recipes to. If you haven't yet created a collection, select Create Collection and name your collection. Once your collection's named, select Add. If you'd like to add just a smaller selection of recipes from a template to your collection, click the icon with the 3 dots next to the recipe you'd like to add. Select Add to Collection and choose the collection you'd like to add it to. Then click Add. Repeat this process for each recipe that you'd like to add. And that's how easy it is to add recipes from a template to a collection.